Hello guys, I bought a new Timex watch from an online shopping site in India for about 2650 Indian rupees, which is about 36 US dollars at the moment. It's December 2020, so I'm just gonna unbox it, and I already unboxed it, but just gonna share some of these features. So the model number is TWEG18301. uh, from the packaging I got this box, and then this usual manual sheet, which has also got the warranty uh, from the store where it's been delivered. So that's it. It shows how to use the watch, how, where the crown position and all those stuff. So let's open the box, and this is a watch. It's Timex TWEG18301, and this is a light cream color dial, the brass case, and leather strap I got, and the dial size is 42 millimeter, I guess, and then the bandwidth is 20 millimeters, and Timex has mentioned it's a leather strap, so yeah, but the leather strap is average. It's a little bit hard, and but it's okay, and the watch looks good. The needle pointers on the second needle is pointing correctly to the dial pointers. It's really good, and I was looking at buying the Weekender, but after looking at the reviews of Weekender making more noise, so I thought of purchasing this watch. Uh, Everything is good in this watch, and it's a simple watch uh, with not many features on it, but unique to the Timex, it has got the Indiglo feature. You can see it's really good, and the price is also cheap, and hope you like my watch review, and do like and subscribe. Thank you.